Salam, welcome to Mama Lube YouTube channel. Today I am sharing with you my Khoya Vermicelli recipe. Let's make it. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil or ghee and let it melt. Half cup coconut, half cup sliced almonds and half cup raisins. Fry on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer it to a plate and set aside. Add 1.5 tablespoons coconut oil or ghee. Add 7 ounces vermicelli and fry on low flame for 7 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. Add 2 cups of water along with food color and mix well. Add water according to your vermicelli brand's instructions. Food color is optional. Add half cup monk fruit sweetener or sweetener of your choice. Add half the fried nuts and keep half the nuts aside for garnish. Cover and cook on low flame until the vermicelli is soft. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix well. Transfer to a plate. Let's make khoya. Add 1 cup full cream powder to the microwave safe bowl. Add 1 cup heavy whipping cream. Mix well. Microwave 2 minutes. Take it out and mix well. Microwave again for 1 minute and again for 1 minute. Take it out and mix well. Total 4 minutes or according to your microwave temperature. Add this khoya or mix it into the vermicelli if you already have khoya. Garnish with remaining nuts. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.